Miles now. Miles, tell us a bit about yourself, who you are and what you're doing here today.
My name's Miles Todd from 360 Ground Care. We're a company that carries out sports maintenance to football pitches, golf courses, any sports surfaces really. We're here today just to carry out an end of season renovation to improve the surface, ready for the new season ahead in the Welsh Premier League.
Right, you began here this morning, yes?
Yeah, we started this morning. First process was scarifying the pitch.
Yeah.
We've carried out that in two directions. That process is to clean out the existing pitch, take any dead matter out, remove any of the poorer grasses, and then just create more of an airflow through the grass sward, and that will help create a cleaner, healthier grass coverage.
Okay, and how was the pitch when you arrived?
Yeah, the pitch was okay. It's had a hard winter, a lot of play on it. There's quite a lot of compaction in it, which we relieved carrying out the aeration work with the verti-drain. We verti-drained down at 10 inches, so got pretty deep there. But there's a grass coverage, it was pretty good. Yeah, the groundsman's done a good job over the winter.
I'm sure we'll be pleased to hear that. Have you met him this morning?
Yeah, he was here this morning, yeah. We've had a chat. I think he was a bit worried we were going to make a mess of his pitch, but once he saw what we were doing, he's pretty happy.
Okay, and after today now, what will be the next step tomorrow?
Next step tomorrow, we're going to be applying 90 tonne of sport sand onto the pitch. This is to smooth out the surface, so it fill in any divots and any sort of minor undulations. Also, where we've aerated, we've created sort of 20mm diameter holes. The sand will actually work down through those holes, and that will help increase surface drainage, so the pitch end will be drier through the season, a bit firmer as well, and it will encourage the better grasses to grow as they prefer to grow in a sandier soil.
Okay, and Friday here again, you're finishing the job off on Friday?
Yeah, third and final day on Friday. We'll be overseeding the pitch. So we've got 15 bags of seed to go down. That will be applied using a disc seeder. So that puts the seed right into the soil profile, and then it's rolled over. So the seed's in a perfect seed bed. No birds can get to it, so it's not bird feed. We should start seeing germination with that within about 7 days. And after we've seeded it, we'll apply the fertiliser. So the fertiliser is a pre-seed fertiliser, which will help the seeds to germinate, but also in that feed there is a slow release fertiliser, so that will give a controlled release of nutrients for the next 3 months, so it'll help give the pitch a nice colour and a good healthy coverage.
Dwi wedi cael catch fyny efo assistant manager heddiw, Rich. Be ti'n neud yma?
Brysur a chwarae golf.
Chwarae golf?
Just trio cadw'n brysur, obviously, oedd y gwaith caled yn dechrau i fi unwaith oedd unwaith gyro ni'n lig lle oedd ni'n gorfod dechrau paratoi wedyn at flwyddyn nesa. Mae'n step i fyny'n amlwg, so wedyn oedden ni eisiau meddwl wedyn dechrau recrwtio a bob dim arall efo training facilities a bob dim sy'n dod efo'r Welsh Prem lle wedyn. So da ni wedi bod reit brysur efo meetings a falle a trio cyfarfod players a falle wedyn, so digon i wneud i cadw fi'n brysur a wedyn wedi trio cael ei odd game o golf pan dwi'n gallu.
Sut mae'r golf yn mynd?
Iawn, ia. Rhywbeth dwi'n gwybod, dwi'n well na Joe Williams, so dwi'n llawer sydd ddim bad yna.
Wyt ti'n neud rhywbeth o clwb Caernarfon ti?
Na, yn Port ydw i.
Yn Port wyt ti?
Mae gennym ni ddwrnod yn dod fyny, which neu rei fwy efo nhw yn eich yn y dyfodol lly, ond mae gennym ni ddwrnod golf yn dod fyny yn Gaernarfon i'r clwb lly, so fyddai'n dechrau enwau yna, unwaith mae season di dechrau wedyn mae'r forms yn mynd allan felly, so good plug gawn actually fo.
Ie, ni'n meddwl sy'n helpu fyna. Mynd yn ôl i'w serious stuff fan. Sy'n mae, chdi sôn am recruitment o bach chi, bydd hwn yn mynd allan cyn unrhyw newyddion, dwi'n siŵr, ond sy'n mae pethau mynd ar ochr yma ar hyn o bryd?
Yn deud pethau mynd rhaid da, yn amlwg allan ni'n deud gormod, ond da ni wedi cyfarfod players lle, which da ni'n meddwl ni'n ffitio. Chos dydy o'm am just dod ar rywun mewn, mae rhaid nhw ffitio'r mod o beth da ni'n trio wneud yn y clwb, rhaid nhw ffitio'r dressing room, mae lot o elfenna sy'n dod i fewn ac yn eich allu seinio rhywun. Ond na, mae'r conversations da ni wedi gael efo players di mynd yn reit positif a da ni'n gobeithio fe gyda ni rhai gwynebau newydd ebyn flwyddyn nesaf.
A dyn beth di'r remit yna i'r chwaraewyr lle? Beth ydych chi'n chwilio amdan?
Wel, mae lot o bethau i ddechrau fo'n, da chi'n edrych ar positions, pa position a wedyn. Yn amlwg fatha ni ddeud, allwch chi'n just dod ar rywun i fewn i'r dressing room, mae rhaid o ffitio ag y beliefs da ni efo yn y clwb lle. A wedyn, ond efo cael y players yma, weithiau falle eitho fod yn opportunity chwarae yn y Waws Prem. Mae hynna'n gallu tynnu players, ond mae obviously, fath oedden ni'n dweud, y famous line gyda lots o bobl yn gofyn am bres, ond I can give you this amount of money and give you a crowd every week, so mae hynna'n elfen mawr, dwi'n meddwl, trio tynnu players ydy'r cofi army, a pawb yn gwybod, a dwi'n siŵr fydd pawb yn gwybod lot mwy y flwyddyn nesaf amdano ni felly.
A wyt ti'n meddwl bod yr cefnogaeth da da ni'n gael, ti'n meddwl bod hwnna yn werth lot i'r clwb pan mae'n dod at arwyddo chwaraewyr?
O, masif. Nawn ni'n fod yn shein dweud bod gennym ni'n budget mwyaf yn y lig o gwbl, ond da ni eisiau players eisiau chwarae i'r clwb, a fatha ni oedd yn dweud, da chi chwarae crys a da chi chwarae fans, which mae gennym ni masif o fanbase, a mae hynna ddigon weithiau i rai players i just cael yr cefnogaeth na wedyn. Fel da chi wedi gweld pan yn y Welsh Cup Games, da ni wedi chwarae adra ag y we. Mae'r crowds da ni'n gallu denu'n unbelievable, a wedyn dwi'n siŵr fydden nhw hyd yn oed mwy eto flwyddyn nesaf wan efo tîmau mawr eraill yn dod yma lly de.
Ie. Wedyn, pa bryd fydd pre-season yn dechrau?
Fydden ni'n dechrau ar y 26th o June, just strength and conditioning am 2 wsos.
Lle fydd hwnna?
Bydden ni'n mynd i gym, da ni wedi cael cytundeb efo rhywun efo rhyw gym, a mae o'n neud specific just i pêl-droedwyr lle. So mae o'n dreid sesiynau, ond ni jyst unwaith yr wsos am 3 wsos, a wedyn fydden ni'n dechrau ar y July the 3rd efo pêl lle.
Na fo. A wedyn da ni wedi anwnsio yr friendlies. Ti'n edrych ymlaen i na?
Ynddo, dwi'n edrych ymlaen i na. Mae hyd neis, oedden ni wedi gwitchad ar un y ddau, so da ni wedi gallu cael hynny dros y lein o'n, a wedyn edrych ymlaen i pre-season, a fixtures da, a fixtures calad, ond dwi'n meddwl bod o'n mix o bethau da na fyd, so edrych ymlaen i na.
Na fo, gres. Diolch am cymryd amser i gael chat bach sydd yn rich ydyn ma'n wach dyn ni sy'n, ia?
Na fo, diolch.
Diolch chdi. Reis Garth, dwi'n abo chdi, ond wedi gyflwyno dy hyn i pwy bynnag sy'n edrych ar y fideo yma?
Geraint Jones, dwi'n ysgrifennydd gema i'r clwb, a dwi hefyd yn gyfrifol am weinyddu'r ochr chwaraewyr. Dwi hefyd yn gwneud y rhaglan, a dwi'n gwneud gwaith tanoi a reporter ystod y gem.
Reit, ti wedi bod efo'r clwb eich dipyn da?
Ges i flwyddyn yn canol lle o'n i ddim yna, ond dwi wedi bod yna off and on nes 97.
97? Dros i gymryd ar y lle?
Do.
Ie? Ti wedi gweld ups and downs?
Gen i ambell i stori fydde dweud, dwi'n mynd i ddweud o.
Reit, dwi'n siŵr bod gen ti. Reit, ti'n bod, yn amlwg, da ni wedi cael dyrchafiaeth, da ni i fyny wan o Welsh Prem. Be ti'n meddwl fydd wneud hynna golygu chdi? Pa newid wneud i chdi?
Fel ti'n probably di gwybod ar y funud, mae'n lot mwy proffesiynol nag oedd o pan oeddwn ni'n yna tro dwytha lle. Mae yna lot mwy o waith yn ystod gem, lot yn o fatha gorau reportio ar y goli a cael y team sheets i mewn mwy amser o flaen gem, o flaen kick-off lle gorau rhaid y pethau mewn o fewn hanner awr i ddiwedd y gem, so mae yna lot mwy o waith technegol ar yr internet i wneud yn ystod gem yna. Dyna fydd y newid mwyaf, dwi'n meddwl.
Dwi'n meddwl bod hynna am mynd ar hyd y clwb, dwi'n meddwl dydy, mae pob yn gorau cadw i safon dydy.
Yndi, yn union, ie.
Jyst mwy proffesiynol mewn ffordd, ie?
Ie, exactly.
Nes i ddweud gyna bod chdi hefyd yn neud y rhaglen.
Ie.
Be di'r challenges o neud y rhaglen, Gar?
Wel, chwarae teg i bobl sy'n gweithio i chdi ac i Phil, mae'n siŵr fydd y gweithio efo fi tymor yma. Mae'n rhaid y rhaglen efo'i gilydd, dipyn o waith gallu bod i ddechrau, i gychwyn i roed yr hysbysebion efo'i gilydd, tipyn o beth sydd yn ddechrau. Ond na, dwi'n ddiolchgar am bob cyfraniad i'r rhaglen, felly, nes oes rhywun as i wneud, mae'n croeso hefyd. Ond, na, mae o'n dipyn o waith, ond mae'n neud o werthog pan mae'n dod allan i bod o'n edrych yn iawn ac yn gobeithio bod pobl yn mwynhau allan o.
dda, dwi'n siŵr, da ni wedi. Wyt ti'n cael, oedden ni sôn bod pethau mwy proffesiynol o falle, a os yna rhywbeth, da ni'n gorau newid efo'r rhaglen lle?
Ond bod ni'n... Yr unig beth da ni'n gorfod wneud ydy gwneud rhaglen 16 o dudalennau, dyna di unig gyfyniad, so mae o fyny ni yn hollol beth da ni'n neud efo fo. Wedyn, ie, yn edrych i mewn i neud o'n lliw llawn, ond gan i weld ar y costa.
Y costa fysa'n dal ni'n ôl ar hynna, ie?
Yn union, ie. Dwi'n gael pris eto, ond mi fydda ie.
So rwy'n eisiau noddi ni, rwy'n eisiau noddi y
union.
rhaglen. Well, we know what the process is going to be on the pitch, Miles, but I understand you played here a few times yourself, haven't you?
Yeah, used to play for Denby, so yeah, played at the Oval quite a few times, and always an eventful experience. Always had good banter with the fans, and yeah, I think a few of the fans will remember me. I always tried to give as good as I got. So.
Yeah, I think I do recall you actually. Have you scored against us?
I don't think I ever scored against you. No. I think Carnarvon always scored against us pretty handily, but yeah, I don't think I ever scored against him.
Do you still play a bit?
Yeah, still at Denby. Mostly been playing for the reserves the last few years, but I think one more pre-season and try and get one more season out of me, and then might hang the boots up for good.
And do you do some other work on the pitch there?
Yeah, we do a little bit of work there at Denby in the past, but then this year they're having a full renovation, so I think we're there beginning of next week. So yeah, again, try and help improve their pitch, and might improve my football if their pitch is a bit better.
Just going back to the oval pitch, after you finished on Friday, do you want more rain or do you want less rain?
Well, I shouldn't really say after the good weather we've had, but yeah, we could do with a bit of rain, just to get a bit of moisture into the seed and wash a bit of the sand in. But yeah, a little bit, not too much, so we don't want to spoil the summer.
Right, but that would be make a difference to it.
Yeah, the moisture, yeah, a bit of rain would help it along. Yeah, the grass needs a bit of water. Yeah, it's browning off a bit now purely because it's dry and it's a bit stressed, but yeah.
And just going forward now, you know, you do the work you're carrying out now, but you know, how long will this last for us as a club? You know, what's the maintenance going to be like?
Yeah, a lot of the process we've carried out will give you sort of quite a long longevity. The aeration work is something which will relieve a lot of the compaction that's in the ground, but it's then something that should be on a bit of a programme. So something like 4 or 5 times through a season in conjunction with the work that wind does. The sand, that will have a benefit for all season long really. It will keep that surface drier, keep it smoother, but like anything, when you're working with nature, it's a process and you've got to keep sort of topping it up. It's not a case of this will now turn the pitch into Wembley. You know, we do need to keep working at it, but it will have a big benefit on the pitch and then for the upcoming season.
Excellent. And I know you're quite busy, but can you just tell us, tell everybody how we can get in touch, you know, if you want some more work?
Yeah, you can. We've got the website, which is 360groundcare.co.uk, or email me at miles@360groundcare.co.uk. Yeah, we'd be more than happy to contact you back and see how we can help.
Excellent, and hopefully we might see you next season. You might come and watch a match in the Welsh Premier League.
Yeah, I'll come down and have a look, and hopefully not get too much abuse from any of the fans.
Well, thanks so much for taking the time to speak with us, Miles.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Diolch yn fawr iawn.
Cheers, thanks.
Ti hefyd, wrth gwrs, yn cefnogi y tîm. Dwi'n gweld bod gen ti swydd y clwb, ond mae gen ti ti'n cefnogi'r tîm hefyd. Be oedd gol y tymor i chdi tymor dwytha?
Wel, dwi'n siŵr yn aml gol Nathan oedd y shot gorau yn ystod tymor. Mae'n anhygoel, ond gol y tymor i fi oedd Alex Ramsey yn Hill adra i y pwynt i ni dynod yna. O'n i'n sefyll efo rei o genogwyr Hill wrth ymwyl y stand ar y pryd, ac oedd y gwyneba'n anhygoel.
Oedden nhw gytu?
Oedden nhw hollol gytu. Oedd deimlad yr is braf, ti'n gwybod.
O beth am oedd y gol o dda, ond beth am y celebration ydy?
O, hwnna'n anhygoel.
Be mae'n gael hwnna, aeroplane?
Ie. Nath ar redag tuag ata ni yn y main stand lle oedden ni, ac ni beth am gwaith hwnna.
A beth am chwaraewr y tymor?
Waw, argal, ti'n amser fi ddim yn meddwl am hwnna. Chwaraewr y tymor, dwi'n siŵr, mae'n gorau bod yn eithaf neto i fi. bod tro oedd o ddim yna, oedd yn amlwg bod ni'n mythu fo. Wedyn, na, trwy dydd, neithon, oedd yna.
Ac yn ola, da ni newi dweud nithiwr bod Ross Stevens a Ben Meher wedi sinio. Beth ti'n olau yna?
O, mae hynny'n anhygoel. Eisiau gen Ben profiad efo prestasu, wrth gwrs, a wedyn mae Ross yn hen Ben, wedyn eisiau gael eitha o profiad i mewn i sgwad. Wedyn profiad yn ambysiadwy yn y gyngor yma, ti'n gorau gael o, rili.
So far, so good, ie?
Ie, definite.
A mae'n amser brysur i chdi fan chdi sy'n delio efo...
Dwi'n mewn cysylltiad efo Sean i gael y ffurflenni dŵad. Da ni'n neud bod dim ar lein tro yma, sydd bach yn haws, ti gwir. Di ffindio so far, mae'n rhyw 3 neu 4 di fynd i mewn o'n. Wedyn, jyst cael y contracts i mewn o'na, wedyn ni'n ffain.
Na fo. Champion, diolch am damser, Ger.
Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch i chdi, beth.
Okay.